Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now you guys know whenever I post any of my recipes, I love seeing on social media such as my Instagram or my Facebook that you guys are trying out these recipes. Whenever you guys post any of your pictures or videos that you tried and used one of my recipes, it makes me feel great and it makes me know that I'm doing the channel for the right reason to share all of these delicious West Indian, Indo-Caribbean, and Guyanese dishes with each and every one of you guys. Now recently one of my awesome viewers, she is Guyanese, her name is Vanessa, she reached out to me because she had tried my chachi kai chicken recipe. If you guys remember, that was a video I posted very recently and it was basically little spicy fried chunks of chicken, usually served at West Indian or Guyanese Chinese restaurants. So if you want to see how to make that chachi kai chicken, make sure you check it out on my channel. I'll have it linked right here in the description box down below. All you gotta do is click right below this video, a drop down menu will appear and you will see the link to that video along with much more down there. Now the reason why I'm bringing up this story about Vanessa is because she is actually one of the co-founders of a company called True Made Foods. Now you know here in the US, all of the sauces and the condiments that we're eating, some of them can be packed full of sugar and other preservatives. I'm talking about the ketchup, the barbecue sauces, and all of the condiments that we use in today's day and age. So basically what her and her partners decided to do is to make different condiments that are healthier, that are made out of veggies, that are made out of natural ingredients without all of the crazy preservatives. And their company's name is called True Made Foods. Now, if you guys have not heard about them today, please keep on watching this video so I can unbox exactly what it is that she sent me. Her and everyone over at the company were kind enough to send me a box with a few different sauces and condiments so I could try that out myself and hopefully I can try them in some of my recipe videos to come. So let's dive right into this box and see exactly what it is that they sent me. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I opened the box. I just cut the tape, opened it up, and I want to show you guys exactly what it is they sent me. So the first thing that I'm seeing here is I see a nice t-shirt. And just to show you guys really quick, this is the t-shirt that they sent me. This is the front. And this is the back right here. So I think this is a pretty cool t-shirt and I cannot wait to wear it. You might see me on Instagram or in another recipe video with this t-shirt on. And I'm just gonna start taking out everything from the box one by one and showing what kind of condiments they sent me. So the first thing that I'm seeing here is some yellow mustard. And of course on the bottom it says no refined sweeteners. That's one of their biggest things. There's no added sweeteners to this. And just looking at this ingredients list, I can really see that they're trying to make sure that everything is all natural and they're not putting any extras into these sauces or these condiments. So there's just like vinegar, water, mustard seeds, all of these different veggies, spices, and that's about it. No preservatives and no extra ingredients in these condiments. So besides that, we also have some of their veggie ketchup. Again, this is no sugar added. And this is some of the veggies that they put into it to make the actual ketchup. So tomatoes, carrots, squash, and spinach. And you can look here for all of their ingredients and all of the nutrition information. They also sent me a bottle of their veggie sriracha. And I also really like their packaging. Not only do I like their brand logos, but I also like the glass bottles that some of them are in. They're very nice and sturdy. And this would make for easy storage in your refrigerator. But that's not it, guys. There are also some little sauces inside of the box. So I'm just gonna start pulling some out. Now this right here is the Kansas City barbecue sauce. They sent me 2 of those. And these are just like little sampler packs, so I'm gonna get to try those out. And this right here is a bumper sticker or a laptop sticker you could use it as. And I think this is pretty cool that they included this in the box. And they have these little tiny packages of their mustard and their ketchup. Just like you would get at a fast food restaurant, they have these as well in little travel size packages. So moving on to the rest of this box now, there's actually another compartment with a few other sauces. I'm just gonna open that up and show you guys exactly what's in it. And everything's packaged really well. Nothing is gonna be breaking in these boxes because it's packed so tightly in there and everything's nice and separated. So I'm seeing here that this is their barbecue sauce sampler pack that they have. So this one right here is a Kansas City thick and sweet with less sugar. And the next kind of barbecue sauce that they sent me is their Carolina Gold, bold and tangy sauce. This one's more of a lighter color and a little bit thinner in texture. And the last one that they sent me is their Memphis barbecue sauce. So these right here would be great if you mix it with some other seasonings or spices. You could put it straight on your grilled meat, or you could put it on just as it is as well. So I just wanted to quickly go over again exactly what it is that I got in the box. I got my veggie ketchup over here. I have the Memphis style barbecue sauce, the Kansas City barbecue sauce, the Carolina Gold barbecue sauce, as well as the mustard and the veggie sriracha. And they sent me these little sampler packs of their barbecue sauce, as well as the ketchup and the mustard. And they also sent me a t-shirt and a laptop or bumper sticker. So as you guys can see, you can buy all of these things on their website and much more. You can buy different sizes, different sampler packs, and lots of different combinations. So I just want to thank Vanessa once again and everybody over at True Made Foods for putting this box together and sending it to me. I want to thank her for being an awesome subscriber and thinking about me so this way I can put this unboxing video together for all of you guys at home. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet, and join the Matthew's Guyanese cooking family. Make sure you're clicking that red subscribe button and the little bell notification icon right next to it so you never miss out on any of my newest videos. And of course, drop those comments down below and let me know what I should be cooking up next. I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye everyone.